Hey everyone, welcome to another Tuesday Tech Tip. Today's is extra special because we have the expert of roughness here, Dr. Mark Malburg. Mark, welcome.
Hey, it's great to be here. I've been a fan, now I get to be part of it.
Perfect. So let's get into some good stuff. Today, rather than talk about the big stuff that I measure, like large board or planes larger than my hand, in roughness world, we're taking really very small measurements, right now.
Well, yeah, in general, we think of roughness as those little tiny features where material has been moved around. But it can cover a different realm depending on what you're interested in. Yeah, so in fact, to some applications, roughness might be molecules. And in other cases, like your tires on the road, roughness might be rocks. So the word roughness is a little bit ambiguous.
I see. So in my world, I'm only thinking about taking a tiny little measurement like on a gear over here, for example. And so from that data, what am I really looking at here as opposed to other things?
Sure. So on that gear tube, for example, we've got an overall shape. It's kind of bulgy, right? We'll use not so technical terms today and keep it fun, keep it light. So we have that overall shape or kind of form, and there'll be maybe waves along the way. And then on top of those waves, we might actually have little stripes or cuts from the machining process. And even in between those, we might have tears or pits or cracks. So it's kind of like this napkin. If I lay it on a table, you can see it's kind of wavy along the edge. But on top of those waves is a pattern that's embossed into it. And then within the embossing, there are paper fibers.
So now you're talking about different sort of spectrums, if you would, in between the data, right?
Exactly right. There's a spectrum of wavelengths, long waves, middle waves, short waves, and each of those, even on something like a gear, can mean something in manufacturing. Maybe the machine was vibrating, or in application, maybe it makes noise.
So I was about to say with noise and other things like that, and maybe oil catching and things like that. So
Exactly.
that's all great. So if somebody does want to get started with roughness, what should they do?
Well, to get started, really, it's not any magic or math. It's let's make a picture and look at the picture. So collect some data and look at the plot. I always tell people, don't look at a number, look at the picture first and see what the picture is telling you.
All right, well, awesome. Thank you so much, Mark. And stay tuned for the next Tuesday Tech Tip. We'll keep talking about roughness. Catch you guys in the next one.